Here we have our dip switches on the indoor unit. You will always find dip switches on your Mitsubishi indoor unit. To activate for a 2-zone wireless stat setup, we need to activate the following. Find your SW1, number 8 at the bottom. That needs to be turned on by flick it to the right. That will activate wireless Mitsubishi stats. For 2-zone control, find SW3, and in SW3 go to number 6. SW3 number 6 to on. That will now activate our output 3 and output 13 zone valves for 2-zone control.